Usually, when we talk about older dogs, we talk about them putting on weight. They have less energy and a slower metabolism, so it's not unusual for them to pile on a few extra pounds, much like humans. It is actually a myth that all older dogs gain weight as their bodies change. They might equally find themselves losing weight, much like people. So, dropping a little bit of weight can just be a natural part of getting older. But, if your older dog starts losing significant weight, either suddenly and rapidly or slowly and gradually, it could also be a warning sign that something is not quite right with their health. Before we move on with this video, you need to grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide, in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him/her. Link to the free Secret Training Technique guide is in the description below. Exclamation mark. How much weight loss is worrying? Your dog's weight will fluctuate depending on what they've been doing, what they've been eating, and even their mood. Also, the changes that older dogs undergo in their hormones and metabolism mean it is just as likely that they will drop some weight and settle with a skinnier physique as pile on a little bit of weight as they age. Vets define significant weight loss as 10% of a dog's normal body weight. You will probably notice if your dog loses that kind of weight. But remember, with a small 5-pound pup, that is just half a pound. Why is my old dog losing weight? There are a lot of reasons an old dog might start losing weight. It could be a result of natural changes to their metabolism and hormone levels as they get older, which simply means a bit of a change in diet is in order. Dogs will often go off their food if it is painful for them to eat, either because of dental problems or joint problems that mean their bowl is difficult to access. A change in their eating arrangements could get them eating normally again. However, a variety of serious medical conditions can also put them off their food or leave their body unable to properly produce energy from food, and therefore, rely on fat stores instead. Examples of this include diabetes, kidney disease, and heart disease. These will usually be accompanied by other symptoms, which will help you make a diagnosis with your vet. Is it normal for an old dog to lose weight? While we might think of older dogs piling on the pounds as they get less active, they may have the opposite response to aging. Changes in their hormones with age can change the way the body generates energy. This could leave them being naturally leaner. However, when older dogs lose weight, it could also be a symptom of a medical condition they become more prone to when they are older, such as diabetes, heart disease, or dental disease. You probably don't need to start worrying about your older dog losing weight until they have lost about 10% of their body weight. Also, look out for other changes in their behavior and appearance that could be an indicator of something else going wrong. How do you fatten up an old skinny dog? Older dogs can lose their appetite, which can make it difficult to maintain their weight. But you can help by making their food as enticing as possible. This often means abandoning the dry kibble for aromatic wet food, or you can also add gravies to their kibble to make it more enticing. A great fresh dog food we feed our dogs from time to time is the farmer's dog. You should also consider whether your dog is not eating because they aren't hungry or because they are having trouble eating. Dental issues might mean chewing is uncomfortable, and mobility issues could mean that leaning down to their bowl is a little challenging. Switching to wet food and putting their bowl on something raised so they don't have to bend down to get to might see them suddenly hungry again. If your dog starts losing weight as they get older, it may or may not be a cause for concern. It could just be a natural part of the way their body is changing with age, or it could be a sign of a more serious medical condition. The only way to know is to monitor your dog for other symptoms and speak to your vet to identify what might be going on with your dog. If their weight loss does seem to be just a natural response to changing hormone levels, then it is also time to change their diet to one that is suitable for maintaining their health in this new phase of life. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the Little Paws Training channel if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.